I often hear of people looking to make changes to their lives. However, they typically have some challenges in how to do that. So today I want to spend this video going through how I work with people to help set their health goals to make sure that they happen, they accomplish them, and they see the change that they want. So my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages from their health for the last 20 years without drugs and surgery. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, where I'm constantly sharing tips, techniques, methods, and tools to help make sure that you can have that happen. For health goals, one of the several things really need to happen. So the first piece of this is that your health goals need to be what are called SMART. They need to be specific, measurable, attainable, time-oriented, and reasonable, okay? So with that, let's go through and look at maybe some of the people who we've connected with recently. We're here at the beginning of 2023 to set health goals. Now for some of them, they've come in with the ideas and goals in their head and wanting good intentions, but with some slight tweaks, we were able to gear them up to help them meet that. So we got Kim here who says she wants to be active 20 or more times in the month of January. That's really awesome, specific, time-oriented, and I think that's really reasonable. If we come on over here, Sam wants to lift heavier weights. So now I want for you guys to write down below, what do you guys think about that? Okay, do you think that that's a SMART goal, or do you just think that that's a goal, a dream, a wish? Okay, we're gonna keep digging on. Now I wanna let you know, Sam and I worked to get that into more detail, and she's got it in her head and in her heart so that she can have success. We've got David up here. He wants to lose 10 pounds by March. There's specific timelines, time frame, and what he wants to accomplish. And Erica, she's looking to finish a Spartan race in April. All of these goals, except for Sam's, are SMART, but we work with Sam individually to get them SMART. If you've got goals that you want help with making them into SMART goals, let's hop on a discovery call to help make this be the year that you wind up achieving your health goals. The link for that will be in the show notes so that you can wind up subscribing. And if you've got questions about how I like to work with people individually to make sure that they're doing this, go ahead and check out this video where I'll see you and talk with you about setting a solid foundation for health.